In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to output text in shell scripts using the echo command and create our first Hello World script. Most scripts need to output some form of text, whether it's the result of a command or a prompt for user input. The primary way to do this is with the echo command. The echo command simply takes the text you want to display and outputs it in the terminal. Let's create a basic script that outputs Hello World. Save this as script4 and run it using the command shscript4. The echo command outputs the text Hello World, and the shell is ready for the next command. By default, the echo command adds a new line after the output. But what if we don't want a new line? The N option prevents echo from adding a new line. When we run this script, notice how the text and the bash prompt are on the same line, making it look like a confusing mush. But this technique is useful when you're prompting for user input. Let's look at how you can combine multiple echo commands to format your output in one line. When you run this script, the output will look like this. That's how you output text in shell scripts using the echo command. Start by trying these examples, and keep practicing to get comfortable with the basics. That's all about this tutorial. See you in the next one.